Spooky season's finally here, and I wanted to have some fun with my patio for Halloween. So what better way to do that than with a portable projector for an outdoor horror movie night? This compact little thing is the P61 Pro from WiMiUS. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and sets up in just minutes. Perfect for movie nights inside or out. So let's take a closer look and check out what's inside the box. It comes with some instructions, a cleaning kit, an HDMI cord, a remote, the power cord, and the projector. There's a power button on top, an HDMI port that's also an ARC, a headphone jack, AV port, USB port, and the power input. It also has a spot to connect a tripod, a removable filter to clean when it gets too dusty, and a built-in carrying strap. I started off by attaching it to my ceiling mount and testing it inside. It opens up to the home screen where you have the basic apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and an app store, also an open browser, and some trending movies and games below. Then there's options to switch between using AV, USB, or the HDMI port. If you go into the settings, there's Bluetooth, so it can be connected to external speakers if you don't want to use the built-in ones. Projection settings with auto, 4-point correction, image zoom, manual focus, and front, rear, and ceiling projection. Picture mode so I can customize the brightness, contrast, saturation, hue, sharpness, etc. I can also customize the sound style, turn on surround sound, digital output mode, and dialogue enhancement. Plus there's the system settings like a time setup, sleep timer, and screensaver. It's even got a help option if I need customer service or want to activate the 3-year warranty. If I go to the Network and Internet tab, I can connect to Wi-Fi. And speaking of, Wi-Fi 6 enabled phones can be connected to play music. Under the My Apps tab, I can Miracast, Home Share, connect to speakers, or iOS Cast. Even Disney Plus and Hulu if you have subscriptions, plus several others to check out. It also has a 1.24:1 throw ratio as well, so I can use it on a screen or wall up to 120 inches, even at a short distance. By the way, if you don't have an actual projector screen like this one, it still shows up really well on a plain white wall. This is the best spot I could find in my home, so I set up the projector in front of it, got the bed all cozy, and watched Halloween with my little gremlin. It's pretty convenient to be able to use it wherever I want, even if it's backwards in bed. And speaking of using it wherever I want, I even brought it outside to have a horror movie night on my patio while it's still warm out. It was pretty easy actually. I just attached the projector to one of my old tripods, set up about a 75-inch screen, turned it on, and let it do its magic. I think it looks really cool out here for such a small space, and I can't wait to have people over to enjoy it. And the picture quality doesn't look too washed out, even with the ambient lights everywhere. The speakers sound pretty good too. I'd personally connect it to my Bluetooth ones, but if you don't have any, you'll still have a good audio experience. Here's a little example of the quality with the volume turned all the way up.
Someone is playing a deadly game.
It all began with a scream over 911.
Someone who's seen one too many scary movies. Now,
Overall, I'm impressed. It's become one of my go-tos anytime I want to watch my favorite movies and skip spending money at a theater. So if you're looking for a reliable projector that can provide indoor and outdoor entertainment, this one's got you covered. Till next time, I'm going to enjoy the rest of our movie night, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.